Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. Just a quick video to demonstrate the condition of these 10.5 inch Colclough Ivy Leaf dinner plates. These were made during the Ridgway period of management. There we have the Colclough Ridgway product pottery marks dating these plates to 1955 through to 1965. Sorry, 1955 through to 1965. And we just want to show you the condition of them considering their age. Just look at that glazed reflection. If I get the light on them, you can see they are very nearly mint. We've only got 5 of them going on catalogue in this stack, but the gilt rims, absolutely perfect, and all 5 of them are in absolutely as new condition. So a real good opportunity for somebody looking for some early Colclough Ivy Leaf in really good condition. They're available from the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing if you'd like to find out more and the pricing of these dinner plates. Thanks for watching.